Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Today, I will show the easy method to use a smart plug with Alexa. Gather a smart plug, an Alexa device, and a 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Install the Alexa app on your phone and sign in with your Amazon account. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network as the smart plug. Keep the smart plug within 5 feet of the router for initial setup. Have the plug plugged into a powered outlet and ready to pair. Begin by plugging the smart plug into a wall outlet and putting it in pairing mode. Pairing usually blinks the plug light within 1 minute of power. Open the Alexa app, tap Devices, then tap the plus icon to add device. Choose the correct brand or generic plug option and follow the on-screen prompts. Select your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait for the app to confirm the smart plug connects and shows online status. After the plug appears online, give it a clear device name in the Alexa app. Use concise names like lamp, fan, or coffee maker for reliable voice recognition. Test voice control by saying, "Alexa, turn on lamp," and then say, "Alexa, turn off lamp" to confirm. You can group the plug with other devices for one command to control many. Optionally create schedules or routines in the Alexa app to automate the plug at set times or triggered events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.